Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm Argentleo, and today I'm going to discuss a growth hack that I've tried. And unfortunately, I just need to mention something. I do need to add a disclaimer to this video because I'm not a professional marketer, and any information that I share with you is from my personal experience, and we cannot assume responsibility for any losses that you may incur by using this information. Let's get into today's fun. The growth hack that I want to talk about is the growth hack that helps you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours quickly. And the growth hack that has been pitched over YouTube is privatize or delete videos in the previous year so that it doesn't cause a clawback on your watch hours for that current year that you're in. And I've tried this experiment twice. The first time I did actually delete videos. The second time I tried privatizing videos. And what I found was that when I privatized the videos or deleted the videos, I lost the watch hours and the subscribers that were linked to that video for that period that that video was live. And I gave it some time, about a month, and then I added that video back onto public. And when I returned that video to public, I didn't receive those watch hours that I gained in that year. They didn't come back. It was lost. It was gone. That entire exercise didn't work for me, and I won't do it again. YouTube themselves don't encourage you to delete videos. According to YouTube, every video is viewed separately, so whatever calculations they do, however they look at that video, however it's rated or whatever, every video is different and rated individually. Of course, there can be scenarios when it may be required, like if you change your niche, or for whatever reason you feel that that video shouldn't be there anymore. For example, I've deleted videos on my Shorts channel because I changed the niche, and what it is now isn't what it used to be. I've revived that channel. I'm currently running an experiment on that channel as well, and that was the reason that I've had already to delete videos. And well, you guys need to decide for yourself whether it is viable for you to privatize or delete any videos. For me personally, it acted negatively on my watch time, and I wouldn't do that again. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, if you've reached this point in the video, you may want to check out the next one that appears on the screen. I hope that the information that I've shared with you is valuable and you do consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.